Let's see the AC fundamental topics. In previous lecture, we discussed the various definitions regarding period, frequency, time period, waveform, amplitude, peak factor. Let's see the voltage, currents, and with their phase shifts. If sine wave does not pass through the zero at t is equal to 0 second, it has a phase shift. Waveform may be shifted to the left or to the right. See their angle theta. Vm is the maximum waveform, maximum amplitude. See there the starting point angle theta. Therefore, the V is equal to Vm sin omega t plus theta. Behind 0 plus theta, after 0 minus theta. Angle shows the phase shifts. What is my phasor? A phasor is a rotating line whose projection on a vertical axis can be used to represent sinusoidally varying quantities. Therefore, V is equal to Vm sin alpha. Alpha shows the angular phase rotates, omega, angular velocity omega, rad per second in and counterclockwise direction. Therefore, V is equal to Vm sin omega t. Therefore, you have seen coil rotations angle, see the anti-clockwise directions, there alpha is the angle and this is the amplitude for AC waveform, and time period required t with respect to time omega t. Alpha is equal to omega t. Next, phasor. See the various phasor voltages at 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Various voltage changes from 0 to 100 volt. And see the below 120 degree, 150 degree, 180 degree. Voltage see the 87, 50, 0 degree. After these negative voltages from alpha 210, 240, 270. See the negative phase voltages minus 50, minus 87, minus 100, and this is the complete rotations 300 degree, 330 degree, 360 degrees. See the voltage levels. One complete revolution of the coil complete the voltages. See this phasor voltages. What is mean by phasor difference? Phasor difference between voltage and current. See the first in phase diagram A, B, C diagrams. Firstly, see in phase A, voltage and current starting from 0. Therefore, are in phase. The phasor difference between these two voltage and currents are 0. See the second diagram. Current waveform leads by theta degree, and currents lags by theta degree. Voltage and current difference between voltage and current, phasor difference between these two waveform, current leads and currents lag. Therefore, the lead and lag can be understood in terms of phasor. Therefore, we have see the current leads and current lags. See the diagrams. This is the phasor difference between voltage and current waveforms. Next, AC waveforms and average values. Average values means to find out the average of the set of marks, for example, divided by the number of subjects. Same for a waveform, process is conceptually same. Instantaneous values over the full of waveform. All instantaneous voltages average under the base. Therefore, see the average terms in area under a curve. See the diagram. Base 5, 80, 60, 60, 95, 75. This is some examples. Marks. See the average values 74. How to calculate average value? See the same voltages 50, 60, 80, 95, 75. Average value is same 74. For example, this. Find out the average values waveform. Average value of waveform divided area under the waveform by length of its base value. Therefore, is the wave shape. Average values are also called DC values because DC meters indicate the average values rather than instantaneous values. Okay, thank you.